first one is a Welsh mashup, and they're both songs that are about home, and they're both called Adre, so I really hope you enjoy it. There is a town in North Ontario, sweet home Alabama, may thy skin her drone to tar, roi minno leave lying festyn young, may thy hyd a bod piws take me home, country road. Thy Denver on Bedirius, Dois in Han and Debbie Adre, Meva Nur Thavi, Dois in Han and Debbie Adre, now on my Adre, Debbie Yauni me. Os yw sir endi ar goll ar y noson a ddi, tirid adre nôl, nôl a tai. Os yw storm yn y cwdi dros erwar y lli, tirid adre nôl, nôl a tai. Gadydd galon y fi, dweud ffarwel wrth yr ofna I gyd, gadydd galon y curodd a dau a nawr yn yr rydd drachem I ddydau nhw. Does yn pan yn y debyg I adre, medden nhw'r thafi, does yn ymhan yn debyg I adre, nawr ond mae adre debyg iawn I mi, ond mae adre debyg iawn I mi. Diolch. A bit more than monitors. Thank you. Thank you very much. This next song I decided to play just this afternoon, but it is a Bob Dylan classic, and Adele did a lovely take on it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this one, and you're quite welcome to sing along with me if you're feeling in the mood on this Wednesday. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I know that from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love. Thank you very much. Thank you. I usually do a lot of requests in my set as well, so if you do have any favourite songs, please don't, obviously in the middle of a song, but during the breaks you're quite welcome to come up and ask me for one of your favourite songs, if I can play it. This next song I wrote, and it's about my younger sister, and I wrote it as a present for her 18th birthday, and it's on my first EP, and I have copies of that with me tonight. I have my last 10 copies. So if you would like to buy one, that's fine. That'd be fantastic. But this song is called I'm Only Me Because of You. And it was a gift for her. I see you're growing tall, slowly making sense of it all. But still in my mind, you're only turning 5. Take the world in your stride, running through the trees, holding hands, wearing the same dress and matching headlines. Although your golden hair is becoming less fair, I see that glow in your eyes. So treat yourself with kindness, keep worries away. Learn from my mistakes to go your own way. I'll say this only once, and I'll say it 'cause it's true. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. When home seems like miles away, you'll be coming back again someday. Just worry about the now and not the who, the when, the how, and breathe all darkness away. Remember how we used to be so wild. You were golden, dancing, smiling child, learning as you played, though your innocence stayed. And that's what makes you shine. So treat yourself with kindness, keep worries away. Learn from my mistakes to go your own way. I say this from the heart, and I'll say it 'cause it's true. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. Someone new changing you may worry me, but there comes a time when I must learn to let you be. Summer's burn and winter harbor, my dear evergreen. treat yourself with kindness, push worries away, learn from your mistakes to go your own way. This phrase is very rare, but every bit is true. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. I'm only me because of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very kind. This next song, oh, hello. Never tried it before. Not as good as the original, probably. I could try it for you, definitely. I've had a request for 1,000 miles, so I'll have a little go at that. Sorry if it's not as good as the original. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Staring blankly at, just making my way through the crowd. I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. Like these, I think of you. I wonder if you ever think of me. 'Cause everything's so wrong, I don't belong, living in your precious memory. And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you, if I could just hold you tonight. I hope that was okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. This next one was in the charts, I think last year. It could still be in the charts now, but this is one for the younger generation. If you know it, you're quite welcome to sing along with me. Warm up your vocal cords for Annie. Darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can tell where the journey went, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, but that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding my myself and I didn't know I was lost. I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have 2 hands. Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. That's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost. Didn't know I was lost. Thank you very much. Thank you. Remember, any favourites, please let me know. This next one is a very traditional, well-known Welsh song. And it's usually sung by choirs, but I love it so much, and my grandmother loves it so much that I put it into my set. So this is a song called Anfonaf Angel, which means I'm sending you an angel. And I really hope you enjoy it. Mae hymiana hwyr y ddinas yn fy neffro, a mae'n liad roed yn credu dy fod yno, ond chlywaf a wisel, dy lais yn galw'n y ddawel, Anfonaf Angel i dywar y chodi. Anfonaf Angel i dywar y chod heno, Anfonaf Angel idd gysuro di. Mae sŵn y dy lais yn ddigon i chwalu'r holl am y heigon, Anfonaf Angel a ti. Ac ambell waith yng nghanol berw bywyd, dwi'n teimlo'n unig ac yn isel hefyd, ond phan arwyfar y fy nghliniau, mi wylaf trwydd yn agrau, a chofiaf geiriau dwedest wrtho hi. Anfonaf Angel i dywar y chod heno, Anfonaf Angel idd gysuro di. Mae sŵn y dy lais yn ddigon i chwalu'r holl am y heigon, Anfonaf Angel a ti. Ti yw yr angel sydd yma wastadol, yn gofaddu amdanaf, lle bynnag i byddaf. Ti yw yr angel, fy angel warcheidio, a chofiaf geiriau dwedest wrtha i. Anfonaf Angel i dywar y chod heno, Anfonaf Angel idd gysuro di. Mae sŵn y dy lais yn ddigon i chwalu'r holl am y na fangen ata ti Ana fo na fangen ata ti Diolch yn fawr. Thank you. And this next one is a quite well-known Pal Nutini song, so for the younger generation again. But I love Pal Nutini, and this is such a lovely song. I had to add it to my set. It's called Last Request. Slow down, lie down, remember it's just you and me. Don't sell out, bow out, remember how this used to be. I just want you closer, is that alright? Baby, let's get closer tonight. Grant my last request and just let me hold you. Don't shrug your shoulders. Lay down beside me. Sure, I can accept that we're going nowhere. For one last time, let's go there. Lay down beside me. Down that one-way road, and I realize all about your lies, and I don't wanna be the fool that I was before. I just want you closer, is that alright? Baby, let's get closer tonight. And just let me hold you. Don't shrug your shoulders. Lay down beside me. Sure, I can accept that we're going nowhere. For one last time, let's go there. Lay down beside me. Thank you very much. Thank you. This next one is a bilingual cover. I do a lot of this. I sort of take quite well-known English language songs and try to add a bit of Welsh to them to sort of involve two different audiences. So I hope this works. But this is a bilingual version of Stand By Me by Benny King, and if you know, I suppose you'll know the English bit, so you're quite welcome to join me in singing. Pan mae'r nos yn y hir, a dim ond trist o sydd, a mae straenau yn dwyn y gwledu. Paid a byth bai o hyn i'r y byd drwy tyn ddyn, ond i Davi, oh Seva, Seva Davi, Seva Davi. When the sky that we look upon shall tumble and fall, or the mountain shall crumble into the sea, I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me, oh, stand by me, oh, stand by me, stand by me. Felly cariad, cariad, Seva Davi, oh, Seva Davi, oh, Seva, Seva Davi, Seva Davi. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm selling CDs while on stage. That must be a good thing. Thank you very much. Thank you. This next song is a well-known Fleetwood Mac track, usually most people's favourite, and it's called Songbird, so I really hope you enjoy this one. If you know it, again, let those pipes loose. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I am with you, it's alright. I know it's alright. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I'd give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's alright. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sorry for having to be the CD salesman as well as the sound guy. Sorry. This is quite a traditional Welsh one. It's called Ysbryd y Nos, and it's quite an upbeat love song, basically, in Welsh. If you know it and if you speak Welsh, don't be shy. Ooh. We okay? Oh, we're good. We're good. Okay. It's from somewhere else. I think we're good. This is Ysbryd y Nos. Pan y ddaw'r lleisiau'r nos i'n hoeni, a siffrwd gwag y gwynt i'n hoeri. Ti sy'n lliwio'r blodau a mantedd glith y bore, tir y ysbryd y nos. A'r tonnau'n llusgo crig i'n arian, yn siffrwd yna'r hyfrau sydan. Mi wna bydd di yno yn barod i'n gysiddo, tir y ysbryd y nos. Ysbryd y nos, tir dyma nawr, gwasgar ar ofnau cyn ddawr wawr. Diffodd y tywallwch, tir dar a dydd, gad i me ddod o'r nos yn rhydd. Plith dywallt mewn riba neu rai, yn cynnes yn dy olau perau. A bysedd brai y barig yn deffro hyn y gerig, tir y ysbryd y nos. Ysbryd y nos, tir y dyma nawr, gwasgar ar ofnau cyn yn ddawr wawr. Diffodd y tywallwch, tir y dar a dydd, gad i me ddod o'r nos yn rhydd. Ac yno yn y dyffryn tawel, mi glywaf gan yn sŵn yr awel. A neges i dy geiriau yn hedfan dros y bryniau, tir y ysbryd y nos. Ysbryd y nos, tir y dyma nawr, gwasgar ar ofnau cyn y ddawr wawr. Diffodd y tywallwch, tir y dar a dydd, gad i me ddod o'r nos yn rhydd. Gad i me ddod o'r nos yn rhydd. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Diolch. I'm going to do another few to end now. This song I wrote. It's called Something to Live For. And it's basically about when you're feeling really low and you can't, and you're sort of quite depressed and you haven't got much passion going for whatever you're doing. It's just having that one little thing that keeps you going. And as a musician, you sort of hit a lot of walls. So this is a song based on that feeling. That's not what your life's about. If you're not living like you're dying, you need something to live for. 'Cause this world will want to fight. It'll beat you hands down if you're not right. Don't ever give up on your trying to find that something to live for. Dream as if you live forever, but live as if you die today. Just step out of your shadow and shine your light to guide your way, and find something to live for today. Dream big, dream loud. Don't let those demons bring you down. Start that fire your heart desires. You've got that something to live for. Dream as if you live forever, but live as if you die today. Just step out of your shadow and shine your light to guide your way, and find something to live for today. Dream as if you live forever, but live as if you die today. Just step out of your shadow and shine your light to guide your way. Don't dwell on yesterday. Just find something to live for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm going to end with the last couple of songs. The first one is quite a well-known, quite upbeat track. That all of you probably know. It's called Build Me Up Buttercup, but I've sort of done my own version of it, so I really hope you enjoy that. And the last will be a song that I wrote myself in Welsh, and I wrote it when I was away from home, studying in uni, studying in London, and it's that unexplainable word all us Welsh people feel, which is hiraeth, and a love for our home. So I'm going to finish on these last two, but if you'd like to see me after the show, I have cards and CDs, and I'd love to speak to you all. So thank you very much for having me. You've been a lovely audience, and thank you for your appreciation. I'll be over at 10, you call me time and again, but you're late. I wait around again. I run to the door, I can't take anymore. It's not you. I wait around again. Baby, baby, I'm trying to find a little time, and I'll make you mine. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Ooh, why do you build me up, but say you will. And I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. You were my toy and you could be the boy I adore if you just let me know. Although you're untrue, I'm attracted to you all the more. Why do I need you so? Baby, baby, I'm trying to find a little time and I'll make you mine. I'll be home, I'll be beside the phone waiting for you. Ooh, why do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around? And the worst of all, you never call, baby, when you say you will. And I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm going to end on this last one, and it's called Gwlad y Gân, which means land of song. Edrych ar y ddinas o am y gylchu, wrth i'r ddydd troi a nos. Dim y tirlun a nosydd heb gwrdd fy nghefnwlad i, mond ddiwch i ni. Wrth edrych ti ar y nar, gwylan bach o'r sirch ben, ac adref daeth i'n cof. Claw afguriadau yng ngalon ni, fy wneud y nosydd yn yr oriau mar. Gwlad y Gân, cofiaf am y ddydd pan dwydaf hwyl fawr i teiliad y ffyrnhoedd y fri. Dim y dewis ond troi fy nghefn a gadael yn gloi fy adref i. Wrth edrych ti ar y nar, gwylaf bach o'r sirch ben, ac adref daeth i'n cof. Claw afguriadau yng ngalon ni, fy wneud a nosydd yn yr oriau mar. Gwlad y Gân. Claw afguriadau yng ngalon ni, fy wneud a nosydd yn yr oriau mar. Gwlad y Gân. Thank you very much. You've been lovely.